Transform your bathroom into a luxurious spa-like retreat with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure. This impressive 1100 by 800 mm shower enclosure will revolutionize your daily routine. Picture entering a sleek, roomy shower that is as stylish as it is functional. The 1100 mm sliding door moves effortlessly, saving valuable space in your bathroom. No more awkward door swings. Combined with an 800 mm frameless side panel, this enclosure creates an open, airy ambience that will make your bathroom feel larger and more welcoming. The stunning chrome finish adds a touch of elegance, and the 6 mm thick safety glass ensures durability and peace of mind. Say farewell to water splashes and welcome a perfectly contained shower experience. With easy access and simple cleaning, the Kartell KV6 takes care of everything. Other sizes are available to perfectly fit your requirements. Elevate your bathroom today with the Kartell KV6 Sliding Shower Enclosure and start each day feeling like you're in a luxury resort. Discover this and the rest of the Kartell shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.